Welcome back to Let's Develop. So, if you've read some changes from last time, you probably noticed that I'm not using an int, I'm using back to what I was doing. I figured out the issue was this OR statement. It should be ands and it just fixes it to exactly what I want it to do. So if these three characters aren't typed, we'll continue on. So that's awesome. So let me change that real quick. And also something else I noticed, I completely butchered this name, so let me fix that real quick. Character. Right? Yeah. That looks a little weird to me as of right now. I just spelled it right correctly. Let me just double check. Yeah, it was already. Yeah, alright. For some reason I didn't look right again. Place. Yeah, it does. Cool. Sweet. So that's fixed. So now we're going to set the user to whatever type it needs to be. So let's pass in the character type. Character. And for each one, character equals what is a warrior? I'm going to probably add a enums table. So enums table is just a list. It's pretty much defined. Let's add. I don't know why I can't find. I still need to figure that out. By doing it that way, usually it displays. Maybe if I do it a different way. Is it existing? Oh. Rename this. Character types. What was the third type again? Ninja. Probably change that to an assassin. Then from the character thing, I probably need to create a constructor to deal with all this. Jeez. Oh. Cool, add those in there. Sweet. So then we set the character type, and from here We need to pass in the main user just to get the whole spectrum going. Just to see if that data does get manipulated. Character type. Alright, let's run this for the first time completely and see what happens. Hopefully it works. I need to fix that still, jeez. A. Oh, I don't want to keep debugging. Oh, whoops. Forgot to take this off right there. Derp-a-derp. Cool. Let me fix that real quick. That's annoying me. There we go. Cool. So we got to decide what type of character they choose. I'm gonna make it so it's correct ones. Ninja. So I'm going to add some other things to your character class. I believe that's how you create a constructor, unless it's just like so. Yeah, probably like that. So we're going to add other things like hit points and other issues like that. So public, public int nothing special about hit points for now. Public int, why not? Let's add gold. At some point I want to add the ability to buy things and all that jazz. Remove all that empty spaces. One piece of gold. What are the things? We could have a list of equipment, but for now, no. I think this is good for now, just to get a good start on what we're going to do with the character. So let me just clean up a little bit of my code. Cool. Oh, one sec. Let me take a break real quick. Yeah. Then we can just create a... I'm gonna actually just do that now. So let's create another character type. Let me add a folder. Actually, let's rename it to characters. Add another folder. Shared. And then here is where I'll add my interface. How do I do this? Oh, is it Alt Shift? Yes. With no implementations. From here, so if I take out any of these implementations, it should give me an error. Build. Thought it would. Let's see what happens. Oh, I meant to, whoops. Jeez. Sorry, guys. There we go. There we go. Whatever. Guess I'll just do this by hand. Add that here. Probably won't need the edums anymore. Oh, new. Bingo. Ninja. There's something I'm missing with this interface, so let's check that out real quick. I'm just looking at another one. Maybe I do need to have public. For now, I'll add it back in. I'll double check later. It's a cool trick. You do that by clicking Control Shift, by the way. Alt Shift, Jesus, sorry. Cool. For now, let me. There's our constructor for that. Don't need this anymore, but I'll keep the enums table, but remove. Well, for now, keep it enum character types warrior. Cool. Oh, derp derp. So this could be any one of those character types. And let's change this to say warrior. Let's change this to say warrior. Mage. And ninja. Might be even better way to do this because there's a lot of repeating. I'll do with warrior. Oh, sorry. Can't inherit from itself, you know. The only thing I want from here is this, because this is unneeded. Alright, let me just do that to all of them real quick. How do I return to base again? Done. That's good. That's good. Here, one second. Let's Google this. Constructor. There we go. That's exactly what I wanted. Oh, it was just the parentheses that I was missing. Cool. Yeah, that makes sense because it calls the base, and the base is character, and that always calls the constructor. Cool. And all these other properties can leave. Where are we at with this video? So currently at 18 minutes. Not too bad. It changed a lot of things. Sorry guys. But we're starting to build out our how we want to organize this. do I want to name? Yeah, I guess I do want to, when we're creating our enemy class, we want to inherit from this. But instead of calling, well, we'll call this 2, and from there we like add a random number of whatever. And we can base how much gold just based on these characters' level, which is probably something else we do want to. Oh, yeah, it's needed. But I am missing something. Usually with the interfaces, you have to inherit. Oh, it's just because I don't give them names. Oh, okay. One sec, real quick. I'm going to investigate this. Oh, duh. Alt shift. I knew this looked completely wrong. Get set. Jeez. Hate when it does that. This is my biggest pet peeve. That's done. Done. Move these semicolons. Too much. Alright, do some more investigating. I guess interfaces usually with methods, maybe? Let me double check. Cool. That's why. That should work. Cool. Let's go to the enums again. tool, and we'll set it to that because nothing's been set. Now override geez, I can't think of the word. Virtual, yeah. So that can be overwritten. It is always going to be get in this case. Huh. Never had to deal with that issue before, so that's exciting. So that's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Ninja, that's correct. This is good now. I got mage, got ninja, I got warrior. Oh, I just need to overwrite the issue. Cool. So pretty much started building out the structure. Probably follow along what exactly I was doing. These character types are going to be a lot different for how they attack, how they deal with a lot of different issues that I'm planning to add into this program. Built the character type. From here I'm going to also create an enemy, which would be awesome. Then start adding some methods in here just to see, like, ninja attacks have different type of string names, so heart attack, stuff like that. I don't know. Kind of just rolling with the blows at this point. I probably don't have to create the main user to begin with. And this I can make return. Intro story. Return a string, which is the character's name. Oh. Cool. Oh, it does have to be static. Oops. Since so I don't have to define a program class. Cool. For next time, we'll fix all the rest of the bugs that we're running into, refactoring this, making this better, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. This is a little bit of a longer video than usual, but just let me know what you guys like, and hope you enjoy.